Introducing the LXO by Nightingale. Here's how to make the most of your new task chair. Start by adjusting the height of your seat. To lower, lift the lever on the right-hand side of the chair upwards while sitting. To raise the height, lift the same lever with all of your weight off the seat. Next, adjust your tilt position. To lock in position, gently push lever on left-hand side of seat towards the back. To unlock, gently pull the same lever forward. Next, adjust your seat's tension. Turn the knob at the base of the seat clockwise to increase tension. Turn counterclockwise to decrease tension. To adjust the seat depth, loosen the knob found under the seat by turning counterclockwise. Slide the back into desired position, then retighten the knob by turning clockwise to secure it in place. To adjust the arm height, push the button found just below the arm pads and move into desired position. Release the lock. Your arm should be at a 90-degree angle for optimum comfort and support. Now, this LXO chair is uniquely yours.